So good evening guys. Today we are going to learn about pre-processing method. Okay? So what do you mean by pre-processing method? So let me tell you one thing. We will go with the small practical pre-processing method. So in this method what we will do guys? So whenever we will go with any data set, है So there's a far difference between data and data set. Data set is nothing but your storage. Storage is going to known as data set, and data is what? Data inside that data storage. डेटा इज एक डेटा स्टोरेज के अंदर अपन जितने भी डेटा को स्टोर कर रहे हैं वो डेटा एक डेटा होगा और जहां पे अपन स्टोर कर रहे हैं उस डेटा को दैट स्टोरेज इज गोइंग टू नोन एज डेटा सेट. This is the two terms you need to understand. So now pre-processing method, whatever the data we are taking to predict, to make them train or to make them predict through testing, so that will going to done when your data should be clean, when your data should be clean. So guys, uh, pre-processing method is using for what purpose? It's 100% sure that your data is not clean, your data is having some I can say missing value, missing value, noise data. Noise data means what? Noise data is nothing but the data with unwanted things, the data with any error, repetitive. Yes, so duplicates. So my machine is going to get confused to predict with the duplicate data. So this thing we need to make sure that to remove before any training part, है ना. जब भी अपन ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाते हैं ना गाइस, सो बिफोर ट्रेनिंग वी नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट we need to work on this thing, remove the noise, missing value, and a duplicate data. So we need to work on this. And guys, you know how we are going to fulfill this thing? With the help of three things. They are mean, median, and mode. We need to use this term to get the average. अगर मान लो मेरे पास 5 आउटकम्स है, 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन है अलग अलग टाइप के, इसके आंसर है, इसके आंसर है, इसके आंसर है, इसके नहीं है और इसके है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एज. 28, 29, 29, 29. This one is missing. So what we will do using mode? What is the formula of a mode? What do you mean by mode? Most repeated number. 29 years, 29 age is most repetitively number. So automatically it will going to become 29. If I will going to use some median, so median is going to do what? Median is going to do the sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation, guys. So you will get some outcomes. You can get the average, and whatever the average you are getting, you need to put here, right? Yes, mean, median, mode. This is the formula of a mean, not median. Median is what? Mean is sum of the observation by total number of observation. Median is what? Median is the center number. So like this, different terms are there how we can make our data clean. There are certain method, right? The method are mean, median, mode. Using this method we are going to fulfill our unwanted data in the pre-processing step. So now before starting the things you need to understand what is this Google Colab. So first thing guys, Google Colab is the online source where you can run your command, where you are going to run your code properly, है ना. This Google Colab is giving you some their own space, है ना. You can see the resources there. It is going to give you their own resources, guys. So from here you can see unknown notebook means what? अगर आप दूसरा कुछ Google Colab रन कर रहे हो, that is also going to be display here, right? So first you need to connect from here, right? Change runtime type. यहाँ से आप टाइप भी चेंज कर सकते हो from CPU to T for GPU, है ना. You can select this option also. You can change your coding from Python to R, Julia. Different things are there. Latest recommend you can choose a different version, but I want go with CPU only, right? Because Google Colab is going to work properly in CPU. View resource. Here you can see guys how much disk you are getting. 107 GB disk is given by the system. System RAM is 12 GB. So this storage is not your system storage. It is came from the Google Colab cloud storage. Cloud is giving you storage. So this much space you are having. And till now my disk value was 20 GB, but total 107 GB. I can use more, right? So let's start the process. You need to click on this to make connect. Once it has been connect, you need to click on here. So guys, once you click on text, you can write some information here. Okay. If you click on code, you can give some code command. So for example, this one is done with help of text. This one is done with help of code. Now sh- shift enter. You can run the command. So what type of command I was running first? I was running two libraries, Python Panda and Python NumPy. So what is Panda? Panda, why we are using to store some data into the data set. It is going to work on the data set only. So guys, I told you that we are going to capture one data. Okay, so many data are there, so it requires some data set. So that's why we are using Panda. So data के regarding जो भी information रहेगा वो Panda take care करेगा. NumPy we are using for the numerical values. To find any mean, median, mode, we are using some mathematical representation. So for that we are using the NumPy libraries, right? So these two libraries are must and need here. So second one is what? पहला तो मैंने अपने libraries को done किया. Second one is like I am getting error because मैं जब रीड कर रहा हूँ अपने डेटा सेट को, वेयर इज माई डेटा सेट इज ऑन माई डाउनलोड इन माई सिस्टम डाउनलोड. सो आई विल शो यू माई डेटा सेट हाउ इट विल लुक्स. तो just go with download, just click on this one. So from here you can see your data set is this. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो some of the values are missing, some of the ages are missing, some of the attendance are missing. हाँ, placed not placed and percentage is also missing. Now what I will do, I will go with my code. Just I will read, I will call that file, go with folder, upload file का option रहेगा वहाँ पे click करो. Just select that data set. खत्म. Click on OK. So अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ है. You need to copy the path. You need to paste it in this place. Now see, code was run. So import Panda as PD. If your Panda is not imported, we need to go with pip install Panda PD. So it was starting the collecting all the pandas, right? See, Panda was installed, right? मैंने already अपने पांडा को install करके रखा है, so that's why it was not giving any error. Okay, so पहले अपन को libraries को install करना रहता है. So install any library, pip install your library name, right? So already it was installed. Then second step में मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपने फाइल को रीड किया है. फाइल को रीड करने के बाद चेक करना है तो प्रिंट df, so you can visible the all the data set, right? Yes. So now what I will do, see. So now come back to here. Uh, Ria Mira. Here you can see Vian and Arav. In between, nothing is there. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो Vian and Arav. Nan. N. Got it. So this is my data set, guys. Now what I will do, I want to fulfill this. And before to fulfill the data, to fill the data, you need to understand some of the command. Print df.head. Head means what? It will going to display the top 5 list of the data set. डेटा सेट में जो भी टॉप 5 डेटा उसको लिस्ट करेगा. ठीक है. टेल मीन्स सेम थिंग बट इट विल गोइंग टू डिस्प्ले फ्रॉम द बॉटम 5 वैल्यूज, राइट? सो df info मीन्स व्हाट, ये आपको here you can see student id, name, age, attendance, percentage, placement. That is going to display you the their data type. Student ID, int, integer, name, object, age, floating, attendance, percentage means float, percentage float, placement, object. Name is not string, name is your object. That's it. Placement comes under object, not string. And guys, non-null count means 53 is fine, 52 is fine, 52 मतलब स्टूडेंट आईडी में जो भी है सब फाइन है बट नेम में जो है वो एक नल वैल्यू है आउट ऑफ 53 वन वैल्यू इज नल एज आउट ऑफ 53 वन इज नल अटेंडेंस सेम परसेंटेज इज आल्सो सेम आउट ऑफ 53 वन वैल्यू इज null placement one value is null right so chalo it's fine to understand the next thing print df dot shape this is going to display your column and rows so यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो number of columns number of rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this one is your how much 53 right so total 53 are there first one is where we are not going to count right so total 53 by 6 सो इससे अपन को क्या पता चल गया शेप पता चल गया मेरे डेटा सेट का मतलब 53 कॉलम्स मैंने यूज किया और 6 रोज मैंने यूज किया लाइक दैट वी कैन से ठीक है नाउ गाइस इससे मेरे को क्या पता चलेगा प्रिंट df डॉट इज नल डॉट सम फ्रॉम दिस आई कैन फाइंड आउट how many null values are there so student id no null but coming to remaining all one null value is displayed there in my data set ठीक है now I will going to check my duplicate value so there is three duplicate value guys three duplicate values तो मैं जब यहाँ पे देखूंगा यहाँ पे आपका एडिट नहीं होगा डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू राइट सो बिफोर गेटिंग द डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू लेट्स चेक द डेटा सेट सी रोहन ठीक है सो value is repeated isha so value is yes it is repeated duplicate values are there now if you want to drop the duplicate value means what यहाँ पे आप काउंट देख लो 52 है आफ्टर 52 you will get the outcome same or not 49 उसने पूरे डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज को रिमूव कर चुका है ठीक है सो प्रिंट is mandatory afterwards df dot duplicate bracket dot sum what do you mean by df df एक वेरिएबल है मैं एक वेरिएबल दे रहा हूँ मशीन को है ना यहाँ पे अगर मैं df के बदले अगर मैं प्रतीक भी देता हूँ इट्स फाइन my machine is going to run but this fine this is also fine एक वेरिएबल है वेरिएबल you can give any name no not an big deal okay so यहाँ पे मैं नॉर्मल इसको df कर देता हूँ ठीक है so df done so df is your variable guys don't worry about it shape हो गया हमने डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू चेक किया डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू जब चेक किए तो वी गॉट दैट there are total three values are duplicate then what I did I used the drop command with this drop command df dot drop underscore duplicates I remove the drop value ठीक है मैंने जो भी डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू थे मैंने उसको ड्रॉप कर दिया सो जस्ट शिफ्ट एंटर यू कैन सी प्रिंट df अगर आप लिखोगे तो आपको विजिबल हो जाएगा 49 फ्रॉम 52 टू इट बिकम 49 डेटा ठीक है सो now you can see the outcomes it was showing only zero duplicate value before it was showing key there were three duplicate values but right now it was showing only zero duplicate values okay then guys we are using some command like mode so before going with mode whatever the nan are there so here mode is using for name right think properly मैं अभी इसको रन करा zero code see what is happening before my before my data is like this, the third option is nan. Okay, which means nothing is there. When I use the mode command in my name, df name equals to df name dot fill na, df name dot mode. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या कमांड दे रहा हूँ कि जो भी मेरा नेम का जो भी कंटेंट रहेगा उसमें आप जहाँ पे भी if you get the non zero is displaying that there is no name, zero is displaying that there is no name, is null, right? So वहां पे क्या होगा, वहां पे आप मोड को यूज कर लो. मोड मीन्स व्हाट, द रिपीटिव नेम इज देयर, राइट? लाइक यहाँ पे कौन सा नाम डिस्प्ले कर रहा है, थर्ड वन, राइट? So third one is showing me Rahul. Why Rahul? So you can see Rahul is repeated most of time. Okay, like that you can do it, guys. Mode. Similarly, you can go with median, but the formula is different and outcome will be different. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, here you can see the same thing I did with age, percentage, placement. ठीक है, so same thing, nothing is different. Whatever I did, मैंने अब एज को भी मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया, अटेंडेंस और परसेंटेज को भी मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया है. वंस आई गो विद दिस, सो यहाँ पे जितने भी नैन वैल्यू है पूरे आपको रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे सम ऑफ द वैल्यू. सो लेट्स गो विद द मीडियन परसेंटेज. हमने यहाँ पे मीडियन किया है बट एक को मोड रखा है. कमिंग टू द प्लेसमेंट इट वाज डिपेंड्स ऑन मोड, बट कमिंग टू द परसेंटेज एंड एज it is depends on median. Let's see the age one. Age one is showing me the nan value, where this one seventh one is nan. So वहाँ पे median है. Coming to this seventh one, 22 means median. What is the median formula? The center number 19, 20, 3, 24, 20. So 22 is going to become the median because we have value like 19, 20 or 23, 24. Yeah, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24. So 22 is going to become your median. So I will display 22 is the answer for this missing value, seventh one. Now similarly we will go with the attendance. ठीक है, similarly we will go with the percentage. यहाँ पे अपन ने attendance का नहीं किया था, percentage और placement का किया. So here you can see percentage is displayed and placement is displayed, right? So here you can see we did the attendance also. Done. इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Check the null value of age, 0. Now we will go with attendance. ये भी हो गया है. ठीक है, check the value of attendance. Now it was showing null, right? And guys, wait, copy this one. Now what I will do, I will first run this command. So यहाँ पे जो मेरा attendance है, it was changed. Just a minute. ये मेरे को रन करना पड़ेगा, right? So यहाँ पे 0 आ गया. Then I will run this one. So all good, all good. Attendance is also replaced. ठीक है, because यहाँ पे मैंने रन कर चुका है. It was showing print attendance 0. It was showing 0 null value, right? All good. I will run this one and find to check the final answer, right? So मैंने null value को भी replace कर लिया, मैंने duplicates को भी remove कर दिया. Now I can say my final output is ready. This is a repetitive method. ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे प्रोसेस को रिपीट किया फिर से. Once it has been done, यहाँ पे देखो what I did in placement. Coming to the my outcomes. So placement is showing me the two things, placed or non-placed. So placed is going to replace with the 1 and not placed is going to replace with the 0. Understood? So whenever I will get the output, I will get the output like zeros or ones. Let's run this command, then run this head command. So here you can see 0 and 1 was replaced with the प्लेस्ड और नॉन प्लेस्ड, गॉट इट। तो अभी मेरा आउटकम्स जो भी आएगा वो पूरे रेडी है। एज का भी मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर मैंने मीन मीडियन मोड कर लिया है, अटेंडेंस का भी कर दिया है, परसेंटेज ऑल्सो आई डिड, नेम ऑल्सो आई डिड इट, राइट। सो एवरीथिंग आई डन to remove the duplicates value and also missing value. Now my data set is secure, it's good. Now let's check print core numeric only. Check correlation. Tell us how strong two columns are related to each other. So whatever the columns are there, how they are really relatable to each other or not. So इसके परसेंटेज, इसके जो भी पॉइंट्स है, फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट्स, उससे आपको पता चल रहा है कि हाउ मच देयर रिलेशन टू ईच अदर, right? So save the clean data set. So now we will save this data set as a clean data set. ठीक है, now we will check the final outcomes. ठीक है, so where is my 50 from 0, so 49 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 10. So this is the final outcomes. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या प्रिंट किया है, हेड को प्रिंट किया है। सो 5 मेरे डेटा आ गए, टॉप 5 डेटाज आर देयर, डिस्प्लेड हो गया है। फिर मैंने df डॉट इन्फो, coming to the info, it was showing me the integer value, object, floating value, different data type it was showing me. Df dot shape, it is displaying that the number of rows and columns, right? So this is how the pre-processing is happening, guys. Without pre-processing, I was saying that don't go with any coding part. ML के लिए अगर आप कुछ भी algorithm if you want to run, before you need to go with the pre-processing method for sure. ठीक है, anything, this one the data set where we choose the data set in the form of student information, you can go with any image, any other thing also, you can do the same process. ठीक है, so that's for the day, guys. If you have any doubt you can comment me, ठीक है, on the comment section. And this is a code, ठीक, if you want this code I will be gonna share this code through the link which is going to be stored in my description, so you can check it from there. Check. So have a nice day, guys. Enjoy the day, enjoy the life. Just keep going. Let's meet एक और एक दिन फिर मिलेंगे, ठीक है, with another topic. चलो bye.